Alright, here's the shop. I worked on it a day or two already trying to clear a path, and I got a path. So it's still pretty plugged up in here. So today's project is we're going to try to get these two workbenches out. Back in the hole, back buried behind all this crap. So I can get some more room in here. Because right now I can't do any work in here because everything's buried, especially back to the home where I need to get to work on some rods. So I need to clear a path to the back of this building all the way. I can work on it. Well, I can go to the back of the building. I need to go sideways. So anyway, that's where we're at on this. I haven't been doing many videos or any work because I'm not working. I've been sleeping. I took my vacation. I slept in bed for about a week straight. So anyway, we got to work on clearing all this junk out of here a little bit more. Get this all handled. The workbenches are full of crap. I found some of my tools. Some are still missing. Some are in my box. Other ones are not. So we're still going through boxes trying to find stuff. So I also been working upstairs, which is our parts department. I've been clearing junk out. I've been emptying boxes. Look at that. So upstairs here, been backfilling my aisle here. We got a counter and we got a floor. And even got a computer that's working right now. No internet though. So the aisles have been cleared a little bit. It was filled right up the front here, about this high. So I've been back clearing that, cleared some of this crap over here out of the way too. I cleared this one completely out and then I filled it back up again with crap I didn't need. And I emptied off a bunch of junk on the shelves that didn't belong on the shelves. So now I got a bunch of empty shelves. So I can unpack the parts that need to be unpacked, which is a lot of them on the floor underneath. So I can get to my inventory, which people keep calling me wanting parts for some reason. I don't know why they want parts. So anyway, that's the work in progress. So we're getting it done slowly. But at least I'm not falling asleep when I'm doing it now, which is a plus. And of course I pick a day it's 85 degrees, so it's nice up here. Oh well, no big deal. Alright, so there's that. It's my normal early get up time. It's before 3 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this a little bit, and we'll come back and show how we're going downstairs on that, and we'll get this work done here in a little while too. Keep clearing stuff out so I can get to it. It's always nice when people call on the phone, I can actually have parts. So, alright, that's our update for now. Okay, we got all done for the day. 9:30 now. So we got those two workbenches cleared off and over in the aisle so we can haul them out of here tomorrow. So we'll stuff them in the back of my truck there and put one back there, mine, when a friend of mine, and we'll get them out of here. And we just shoved the other bench all the way over there for now to get out of the way. So cleared that all off, put away some more stuff, found some more tools. Got a walkway all the way over to here now. Got access to the honing machine, kind of get back in here. Got access to the press, got access to the honing tank. Of course it's full of crap. No solvent tank yet. I still got access to my tools if I reach around like this. That'll work for now. So anyway, we'll get these hauled out of here and then we'll figure out where this stuff's really going to sit for now. A little bit wider aisle coming through here now too. So everything is a little bit better than it was. And the air leak is not nearly as bad because we fixed the air line up there, which made it stop leaking a lot. Still bleeds down though. Come on 3 times a day already. That's way better than it usually is, about every 10 minutes. Alright, we still got to put some shelving up over here, which is not anywhere near done yet. Probably should bring down some shelving material with me. It's up in the mountains. But anyway, there you go. It's we're getting a little bit more room in here. Got to uncover a few more tools yet, but then I can do some honing next week here. I'm going to finish up these rods wherever they're hidden around here. They're under here somewhere. So anyway, there you go. One step closer, getting there. Starting to be a shop. You got semi-access to the welding area, but Not quite. Oh, there's a hacksaw we couldn't find. Find a toolbox. There's a welder way back in there somewhere I need to find. Well, one thing at a time. We're making progress. That's all that matters. That's it for now.